Good evening and welcome to engineering at TCTC. I would like to take a few minutes to share a little bit about our program. Welcome for coming, or welcome to our open house. So I am Mrs. Fleming and I am an engineering teacher. I am the engineering teacher. I have a picture of our classroom over here. And I would like to share just a few things about what engineering is. So a lot of students, when they come to engineering, think that engineering is about building things, which that's true. It is about building things, but it's actually a lot more than that. It actually is what I like to say as problem solving. So the the engineering room, if you notice, has a lot of different tools in it. For instance, there is on the left hand, oops, sorry guys, on the left hand of the screen here, or of the picture, we have a small CNC mill. We have a wind tunnel. We have a stress analyzer. We use robotics. So we have all these tools around the classroom, and we use those tools to teach a method to solve problems. That's really what engineering is about. It's a method to solve problems. I want to teach you not how to get one math problem right. I want to teach you a method so that you can solve any problem. And that doesn't matter whether you're in engineering or in your personal life. You need a method to solve problems because let's face it, when you are my age, and I have done a lot. I spent 12 years in industry. I do have an engineering degree. Took 10 years off, and now I've been teaching for about 15 years. And what I like to say is that the problems that your generation are going to face weren't even thought about when I was your age. So we use these tools in the classroom to solve a method for problem solving. We spend a lot of time learning skills for critical thinking. Communication is a big part of what we do, so there will be presentations and things because you may have the greatest idea in the world, but if you can't communicate it, then it's not going to go anywhere. So we spend a lot of time on critical thinking, communication, and problem solving. We do have a class website, and the class website is www.tctcengineering.com. So feel free to take a look at that. So at TCTC, the way our day works, Career Tech does work, and it doesn't matter. I like to say that it doesn't matter if you choose to become an engineer after spending the time with me, or you choose not to be an engineer. You have had an opportunity to explore it without having to pay college fees. So that's what I like to, that's another thing I like to share. Our school is very, I think, is a great school in that they recognized if they were going to have programs like engineering and biotech, that they also needed to provide the upper level math and science classes. So we do have trig, pre-calc, calculus, we have physics, we have statistics, we have chemistry, and we do have college credit plus classes in math, some science, or a couple of science and English. So you can get more college credit at CTE or at TCTC than just the program. So in the engineering technology program, our required courses are on the left-hand side. The first three, robotics, introduction to engineering design, and principles of engineering, are our junior level classes. If you have taken some of these, because some of our homeschools offer some of these classes, there are alternative pathways to still come to engineering, but not to have to retake those classes. The last course is engineering design and development, and that's a senior level class. That class, you take the class all year long and you identify a problem and figure out, go through research, patent research, brainstorming, design, prototyping, testing, and take it all the way and present your findings to a jury of engineers. Senior year, we have 4 elective courses that we teach. I teach 2 every year. This year, I am teaching computer integrated manufacturing and digital electronics. Those would be the courses that you would normally take should you enter next year when you're a senior. The other 2 classes we have are civil engineering and architecture and aerospace. Those, one of the nice things is that we have all of the equipment for all of these, and you can choose. We have done some independent study courses, but we also have the equipment in the room. So even if you're just interested in one of those and you want to do a project, say on civil engineering, you would have the ability to do that. At TCTC, we teach Project Lead the Way, which is a nationally certified curriculum. Our career tech student organization is Skills USA, and we have a strong representation in that. We have students that are local officers, we have a regional officer, and we've competed in competitions as high as national. So the other important thing that we do is you will be able to graduate with 4 certifications. They are CPR, first aid, OSHA, a construction and safety and tool course certification, and an Autodesk certified user. We also have statewide college credit agreements. To be ready for TCTC, you must have a C or above in algebra. You need a 2.5 GPA with strong reading, writing, and math skills. You also were looking for a positive attendance record and no more than 2 credit deficiencies. This program fills up quickly, so if you're interested, please get an application in as soon as possible. So this is an example of our career tree, and we use this as a tool to recognize that there are different levels of careers. So we have our entry level careers, and those entry level careers, you could go right from TCTC and get one of these jobs. There's technical careers. That's where you may go to a trade school or an apprenticeship or an associate's degree. And then the professional careers, this is where everybody thinks they want to be: mechanical engineer, mechanical technology engineer. But once you get into it, maybe you find that you're more, you like the hands-on stuff a little more, and that's okay. We're here for the whole pathway, not just for a part of it. And I have students that have, I'm going to, first of all, the program itself has very strong retention. We've maintained a 90% retention rate over the last 5 years. So when the kids come in, they stay. But I'd like to get to this slide, which shows us um, all of these careers that you see, all of these jobs are ones that my students have um, succeeded in. So you could come straight out of TCTC, the engineering program, and become a CAD operator, go into construction or manufacturing. Some kids will go and work on computers or be a surveyor's assistant. I have a number of students that have gone through an apprentice program or become a CNC operator just because you have the background coming out of TCTC. But then you also have the higher levels. I have students in pretty much every kind of engineering, past students, or engineering technology. There are civil engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical, manufacturing, civil engineering technology. We have someone who went through the Pittsburgh Institute of Aeronautics, and we've got some more people there right now who are becoming aircraft mechanics. We have computer programmers, robotics technicians, machinists. I had a student a couple of years ago who went through the lineman's program, apprenticeship, and he works on high tension electrical lines and goes all over the country to work on that. And we have surveyors and even CNC programmers. So there's lots of opportunities, and it's all across the spectrum. So this is a picture of my senior class in their first week of school. And within the first week of school, we actually had them building robots. So some of the students had some background in it and many of them didn't, but we get you immersed in it right away and get you excited about being at TCTC and about learning. So the priority deadline is Friday, January 15th. If you would like to apply, I would suggest you do so. As I said earlier, the program has been filling up quickly. And if you would have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My name is Terry Fleming once again, and my email address is on the screen. Thank you very much for your time today.